Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 28th of October. Cancer, read Gemini's reading. Like seriously, like mental health is a real problem. And I know I might try to act very nonchalant about it because I am in a shared space. However, a lot of people who are in shelters, I mean, it can split a lot of ways. People here because them don't have anybody or family abandon them. People here because they're old and they did not have a retirement plan. A lot of people here have mental health problems as well. So I don't want you to think that I am joking about this, even though the girl is having a breakdown while I'm doing this. Anyways, yeah, so mental health is a real problem, people. So take it seriously. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Cancer. Let's just go. We're seeing what's in your energy. Let's go, Cancer. We got the 9 of Swords. So I'm getting anxiety, insomnia, or I'm getting nightmares. You can't sleep. I'm getting every time you're scared to go sleep, every time you close your eye, you have nightmares about something. Some type of fear or something that you didn't accomplish yet. We have the Ace of Wands. It could also be about sex or about you're afraid that somebody find out your secrets. Cancer, are you really a man hiding under all that baggy clothes? Because you might have a penis. But I don't know. God has blessed you with very feminine genes. I'm getting you scared that your secret come out, that you have a penis. That 7 of Pentacles. I'm getting you've been working very, very hard to hide this. Yeah, I'm getting something about you. Or I'm getting something about AIDS, Cancer, you have AIDS. I'm getting you have AIDS, syphilis, or you have hepatitis, Cancer. I'm getting your friend you have sex with. I'm getting your friend don't know say I'm infected. Or she don't, this is a dick, so it have to be a him. Are you infected? I'm getting somebody infected with something, Cancer. Or I'm getting you sick. You don't know why you're sick, but you know it's the last time you had sex. I don't know if you have breakout, if you have mouth sores. I'm getting you see blisters that come up on you. I'm getting it's like you know you have something, but you don't want you don't want to admit it until you know it. I don't know. I feel like you're seeing blisters coming up and you're like, fuck. I fuck this person without a condom. What the fuck? I feel like you know you have something, Cancer, and you just ignore it. Yeah, Cancer, you have something, you know. I'm getting them know too. The High Priestess know. Them know either you have something or you hide, them know you're very sick. And whatever you have, Cancer, it affects your immune system. So you're sick. You look sick, Cancer. I don't know if you know this. So it's either two things. You're sick because you don't want the secret to come out about, or I'm getting the fact that, yeah, you're sick, Cancer. You need help, like, yeah, the Page of Wands and the Fool card. I'm getting you just ignore this, basically. We have Aquarius. You might have slept with an Aquarius. I trusted the wrong person. Leo, the Strength, and Magic. Bye-bye.